You see the red color दिसतोय हा नव्हे हा
ग्रीन
तो
कलर
तिथे आहे आता. So this is the bird that I was showing. Copper spit larva. Red legs and here red color, yellow and green.
कॉपर स्मिथ म्हणजे आपण त्याला तांबट म्हणतो पाहिजे तांबट नीट बघ
Still there. Wow. So it is building there. You see, it's digging out. See the way they choose the location. Very small branch at the end. You know,
It's a rain tree, right?
Snake can't easily reach there. नाही इझिली जाऊ शकणार नाही. एक त्या साईडला पोल या साईडला आहे ना खालून. मोठ्या ब्रांचेसवर इझिली सापडतं ते, पण छोट्या याला नाही करणार आहे. आणि ते आतमध्ये मग इट विल मेक अ बेड काइंड ऑफ थिंग युजिंग कॉबवेब्स ऑफ स्पायडर्स and then it will lay eggs there. मेल असेल तर फिमेल असेल. मेल नाही असं काय नाही. पॅरेंटल केअर इज टेकन बाय बोथ and sexes are alike in this bird. So male female would look the same.
And nest building also is done by both?
Yeah, that is also both by both. Some birds, even like bulbul and all, they doesn't have, you know, they have the sharing of duties as parents. In some birds it's different.
Right.
Yeah. So if you come next time, like after a week or so, you just observe this place. If anybody comes here, you might see some feeding there. Chicks are there, and it's amazing. It's a good location. You can have tripod and shoot it if anybody wants. Wow. Because when I saw it, it was sitting on that. So it's taking rest in between, and then again the work continues. You see through the binocular, whereas not seen. This is a really beautiful bird.
कुठे बायनॅक्युलर हे कॅमेरा दाखवतो तुला
Fully focused on the bird.
त्याला पाना नाही खालच्या साईडला.
खाली बस
चू करके चेक किया. ती काय जास्त नसेल
त्याच्या साईजच
3 इंचेस जाईल आतमध्ये.
खाली बघ काम करते दिसतं कुठे दिसतं हां बघ दिसतं काय करते सांग आता हां हां बघ आता
जायंट स्क्विरल वेस्टर्न घाटमध्ये भीमाशंकरला तामिणीला पण इज व्हेरी लार्ज ट्रीज. Forest you see on the hills in Pune city, there's all Gliricidia, which is wrongly planted. Yeah, this is very much like this species. The only difference is this is invasive. This spreads very fast. Gliricidia is also non-native. It's not indigenous of this region, but it is not invasive one. But you know, you see the hills and you feel very lush green and so much of forest in Pune. That is a very wrong plantation. And if you see the forest rules when it was planted like 30 years back, it was mentioned that whenever soil is formed after this plantation, you remove those trees so that natural ones would grow. But now there are so many environmentalists and environmental organizations in Pune, they won't allow cutting the tree. But they have to phase it out slowly, they have to remove. On Betal Hill you see the difference clearly. While planting the tree, on the left you see the thorny trees which is native. On the right you see this Gliricidia plantation. Okay, this is the same tree. And you don't see any bird on the Gliricidia side, although that is a bigger forest. On the left you have shrubs and all, you see so many species of birds. So that's how it is. So सगळीकडेच लागते. आय डोंट नो ती कुठली म्हणते. बट हां जायंट स्क्विरलला फार मोठं फॉरेस्ट लागतं एक. इफ यू बीन टू भीमाशंकर किंवा तामिनी तसं फॉरेस्ट पाहिजे लाईक 500 years old trees and all. That tree growth only supports giant squirrels. There you go. The bird. You see the fan moving all the time. As the bird moves, the tail is spread. See, as it moves, it spreads. The other one seems like white eye. That's a balance mechanism. It also enlarges his career, na? So defense mechanism. So they enlarge this, fluff their feathers. So whenever there's a predator, even a cat at home, you see, they fluff करतं hair. And the size मोठी दाखवणे is a kind of defense mechanism as well. That's why. This is the size of the hole. I mean, this is not a nest, but this is exactly size of barbet nest. घरटं नाही आहे, ही साईज सांगतो मी.
1 इंच.
Yeah, almost. 1.5 inches.
In these birds, do you see any pre-mating rituals?
Of course, yeah. So they feed each other. So male brings some food material, it feed the female. So they have flying rituals as well. But they are in certain species only the ritual thing, the courtship display has reached the peak. So like grassland birds, they jump to a height like this height. They again go down. So there are some floricans which do that. Then there is a bustard which is almost extinct from Maharashtra. It fluffs its feathers, neck feathers, and that feathers touch the ground literally. Otherwise the bird is this tall and the neck would come here. But normally it is white colored. Okay. In the breeding season, that those feathers are so like in a molt that, and when it fluffs to after seeing the female, that literally touches the ground. There are some photos, and it's amazing sight. So yeah, that courtship is there in all the birds, but in some birds it is really amazing. Some birds dance. Yeah, that's called laughing dove or little brown dove. दोन पक्षी त्याला म्हणतात, त्याला होला म्हणतात मराठीमध्ये. मोस्ट हेटेड ट्री हा सुबाबूळ कुबाबूळ
हा आपला एवढं दुर्लक्षित राहिलं की ह्याचे प्लांटेशन कधी
केलं नाही.
सगळ्या पक्ष्यांचा तर असं तोच होता.
दिस इज पर्ल. आता ओरडली पण
मेल नंतर
मेल ओरडला म्हणून.
कुठलं बाबळ रेग्युलर बाबळ आपले तसं सू लावलंय फक्त, पण सगळ्यात बंडल आहे ती ही शेजारची त्याच्या.
हा ना. So in Koel family, which is called Cuckoo family, this interesting relationship is there, which is called brood parasitism. Okay, so brood parasitism is what we know the story of crow and quail. Okay, so the same combination is there with many other species of the same family of quail, and they victimize many other birds besides crow as well. So the birds, those are victimized meaning in that nest, this quail or whatever cuckoo, there are 35 species of cuckoos in India, and they lay eggs, and the foster parents would take care of those chicks, eggs and chicks. So open nester birds like the fantail, the flycatchers, dove. So dove is one of that. So in those nests, the cuckoo or the quail can easily lay eggs, right? So the whole nest is like barbet, they can't victimize. They have to enter the nest and all. So mainly these doves, pigeons, they are victimized. And it's really interesting phenomena because even if the color is different, size is different, the bird, the owner of the nest would think that this is their egg and this is their chick. So that's why there are some videos where this much small bird is feeding 3 times size of other chick. and that's interesting. You can't really understand why that happens, because that happens only during that period of like 1 month. After that, if this parent sees this bird, it will attack. But when it is coming out of nest, it goes blind. So the study is yet to happen in detail how that exactly the phenomenon.
They don't even recognize the eggs as well.
They don't recognize.
Smell.
This is because of the aquatic ecosystem. I think it's
Ostriches, they don't recognize the egg or the shape as well. I saw it in some.
okay.
They were
Emu
experimenting.
is a domestic bird. Ostrich is a wild bird. And by that road we can reach that end. Like in there is some water you see, otherwise it's all stream.
Since we all coming very close together, can you ask everybody to mask up?
So this is around 100-year-old lake. And if you see species list,
मास्क लागतं का सगळं जवळ आलं.
it goes to like 200 species. If you take data of 80s and 90s, when no development was there, no this path and all, nothing intervention, no intervention was there. And today, like if you count today's species, not even 20. And that too forest birds we are seeing. So besides that moorhen, besides the pond heron, we did not see any bird which is related to wetland. We are visiting Pashan Lake. It should be a list of birds of the wetland ecosystem. This is the condition. Even we are here and we don't see any bird here. So there must be few,
What are
few
those
birds
two?
at the end.
There are two ducks on the left side. Can you tell which one they are?
Where?
On the left
Here at the edge of.
edge of this, the left edge, दो ducks है.
These are cormorants.
नहीं नीचे ऊपर cormorants है, नीचे कोई और है ना?
So these are coots. These two you are saying? These two are coots.
Where? अच्छा
Beautiful
those
coot, yeah.
right पे. Oh,
Yeah.
अच्छा नहीं.
Those are the ones you are seeing or another one?
नहीं left पे, उसी के exact opposite.
Swim कर रहे हैं क्या वो वाला? Those flying are the river terns.
Oh नहीं, oh let me see.
Check that out. So यात दोन काळे पक्षी दिसतात, those two black birds. त्याला मराठीमध्ये वारकरी म्हणतात, because it's a totally black bird with a white kind of color here on the forehead.
Exact left पे देखना उसके foot पे exact left side पे.
In the water there.
Yeah. Just by the bank. Under the tree with the cormorants, right? उसके नीचे. है ना? दो.
Yeah, those are spot-billed ducks.
अच्छा.
So spot-billed duck is kind of, you can see only of the three total resident birds found in India.
Oh, okay.
These are all entire year they will be here.
Okay.
I'll show you a photo. This is the first bird we saw on that side while we were driving. We are trying to reach this location. On that road we saw this bird called Oriental Magpie Robin. त्याला दयाळ म्हणतात मराठीमध्ये. It's a very beautiful songster bird. It sings very well.
उसका आवाज कौन सा वाला? ये बीप बीप वाला नहीं है? ओरिएंटल मैगपाई रॉबिन का कौन सा आवाज है?
उसका whistle होता है. There are type
है ना?
like
Like
9,
long
10 types
whistle.
of. Yeah, exactly. I'll show you on the mobile.
Oh, there's a standing jay heron there. So there's a sort of like mini island यहाँ पे. और उसके
Yeah.
एकदम right पे is it a jay heron or what? There's
On
a
the right, okay. Yeah, that's a grey one.
jay heron.
And there are some 4-5 ducks which are again spot-billed ducks.
Okay.
Yeah, almost all of them.
you go.
But majorly they are spot bills only, no migratory ducks. Durbinitun, baka, try to see. On the right side of that island, there are some ducks, which are spot bill ducks.
1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 3, 4. Oh, and on the bank after that,
Yeah.
is that a different kind of duck? There are lots of them. 1, 2, 3, 4,
They are
5,
same
6,
ducks.
7,
As of now,
More
I
than
saw
10.
7, 8,
Yeah,
which
huh.
are the same ducks.
There is also there's a book on the right with 3 brongos and another bird. This is that other bird. उसी के right पे चलते जाओ. Then there are these like brongos sitting and with one other bird. I think my binoculars are not that powerful.
I can see now.
Maybe somebody's camera can capture.
Pankawal, I think. Black color.
No. The oranges that you saw.
हाँ, yellowish it looked to me. But
Yeah, yellow orange.
हाँ, क्या है कौन सी है?
It's not a bird.
No, अच्छा.
It's the leaves.
Leaves.
It's not moving at all.
Okay.
And down there are many. So one flying is a grey heron.
अच्छा.
There
हाँ.
are 4 or 5 grey herons. There.
Right.
Too cute. Yeah, so during the beautification work, they created some islands, thinking that birds would visit those islands. So there is, at the center there is one big island.
Yeah.
So that is created during that beautification work. So instead of supporting the already existing ecosystem, they try creating new ones, considering that birds should go there. That's what happened. Of kites. Okay. So other birds know that now this shift they understand. So they won't hunt these smaller birds. So they are chilling.
Because so many of them live near our place, but not once have we seen them hunting. They're just
They won't hunt. They're scavenging. Yeah. So why little green beetle? Veda Raghu is called. Yeah. So. Because see, you watch bee eater in the air and bee eater is chasing a bee. Okay, and it chases because bee is trying to save itself and it goes down, up, down,
Right.
and the bird follows the same path. From here you see the bird, you don't see the bee.
right.
So you think it's a mad bird.
Oh,
That's how the name is there.
And what is the name again in Marathi?
Veda Raghu. So Veda is mad, Raghu is parrot. Parrot because the color is green.
Again, this bird turns into gets into a scavenging habit, and then the other birds that we used to prey on,
Yeah.
it won't feed on them.
Yep. That's why smaller birds are not bothering about this larger bird around. Even that bird is.
So again, will that be a problem? Because then their population, how
No,
will that be?
because there are so many other predators.
There's
Na?
one here.
But what if there's like one bird and it has only one predator, let's say, and if that turns into
Yeah,
scavenging,
then it will completely change the game. Yeah, of course. That is what has happened in many cases. Where like even tiger-deer relationship is like that. Tiger number goes down, deer number increases. Deer number increases, they'll eat, finish the natural resources, the grasses. As the grass goes down, then again deer population will go down. You understand? So in nature that dynamics is there. This is called Shipai bulbul or red-whiskered bulbul. You see a bulbul? Yeah. So, like a soldier, they have the cap.
Common.
Yeah, commonly this time. So before, this is really sad nature walk, by the way, I must say this.
There it is. The
Because-
beater who I wanted to see.
Is there now?
इस पे बैठा हुआ है ये
Oh, wow.
branch पे.
See, this is matching with the green, that
Yeah,
it shouldn't be there, but yeah. वेडा रागू तो
Yeah. Can you see?